Hi guys, the Boring Engineer here, back with another lockmaking video. Today I've got the Illinois Duo. This is a wafer lock, as you can tell by the double-sided bitting, but this has actually got a third set of bitting along the side here. 4 wafers on the side, 5 on each top and bottom. So a little bit different than your typical wafer. I'm gonna try and single wafer pick it open today. We'll see if I have any luck. I'm gonna start with these ones along the side. Fairly high tension. But the biggest thing on this is making sure my pick placement is pretty darn good, as I can disturb the other wafers that I've already picked, as they're all stacked together and there's nothing stopping you from affecting wafers that are on the other top and bottom side, etc., when you're on another area of the lock. So start on the left. I got a pretty good click there. I think I got everything set. Dropped into a little bit of a false set. Oops. I'll let you guys see something actually other than my hands. Okay, a little click there on, I believe that was 2 on the bottom. Not much there. Alright. Starting at the back, the top. Click on 5. We'll click on 4. And on 3. 2. Then I gotta get around my tension wrench. Good click on 1. Good click on 2. And a little click on 3. Nothing on 4. Oh no, that's alright. Okay, so most of the top I think might be set now. Let's go back to the bottom here. Start on the front this time. Really hard to keep that pick placement. Just kind of soft, I don't know. Go a little further back here. Okay, that was a good click on 3, I believe. Click on 2. Just getting a little bit of rotation on each of these clicks, especially those good ones like those last 2. Really feel my tension wrench drop just a little bit with each one of those. A little more. Alright. Anything up front? No. Revisit this left side here. See if there's anything there. Maybe got popped out of whack. We're picking, especially the top. I could easily touch one of those and pull it out of whack. Alright, I think I'm on 3. Click there. No real movement though. On 1 now. I'm gonna fight my pick a little bit there. Or my tension wrench, excuse me. A little click there on 4. 5 seems set. Back to the bottom. On, I believe 3 now. Nothing there. 2, little click. Trying to get all the way to the back here. Actually turning my pick and using a rotation on it. Try and get this wafer at the very back. There we go. That's 5. Good amount of rotation on the core at this point. So I'm hoping I'm not too far off. There we go. And an open. Okay, so unfortunately, just show that this actually is turning all the way. Unfortunately, there's really no way to gut this lock. As you can see, it is all kind of pinned shut in the machining process of this stamped metal body. I'm looking at getting a second one of these, and if I do that, I will rip one of them apart for you guys. But for the moment, that is the Illinois Duo. As you can see, this is a, like I said, it's a 3-sided wafer lock. So all in all, 14 wafers, 5 on the top and bottom, and 4 along the side here, with this one being the first cut, then 2, 3, 4. So yeah, it's interesting, cool little lock. Neat, a little something different. Hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks.